for a group photo. Please आ जाइए सारे staff. And when you are doing a comeback.
Hi.
I didn't go anywhere. So.
Sir, actually we are regularly waiting for you.
No, I sometimes good things take time. This one took a bit more time. But yeah, there are 4 films that are happening this year. One is a romantic thriller. One is a horror.
Okay. Another time.
And 2 are comedies. So one is, in fact, what you were saying, Masti. Masti Part 4 has just started. Welcome to the Jungle, you must have heard of.
Welcome to the
So
jungle.
that's another film. And then there is a film called Kasoor that I'm doing.
Oh.
Coincidentally again, yeah. So
It's coming on again.
that's coming in May or June. And then there is another romantic thriller that I've done. That's not titled yet, but that will come out in May, June as well. So hopefully the wait will be worth it.
Sir, one request. Can I take a photo with you?
Of course we can. Let me just take
Yeah,
all the
sure,
pictures and then of course we will. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello.
हाय सर।
Hi.
सर जरा गला खराब है, मैं यहाँ का लोकल आ मस्ती वाली जो लुक है इसका राज क्या है सर?
आपका प्यार है और कुछ राज नहीं है।
सर वो तो हम
आप
करते
प्यार
हैं।
देता रहो, मैं ऐसा खूबसूरत लगता रहूँगा। उसमें कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है, मैं कसम खा के कह सकता हूँ। आप लोगों का प्यार ही है जो हमें जिंदा रखता है। आप लोगों का प्यार ही है जो हमारा जो जज्बा है उसे बरकरार रहता है। बस और
सर आपकी मस्ती हमें मस्त रखती है।
बस। और अभी मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो मस्ती आने वाली है हमको और भी खुश रखे।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
भाई भाई
हेलो हेलो
Maintaining yourself, and at the end of the day I think more than physical beauty, I think it's because physical beauty is just skin deep, it's how you feel from inside. If you feel happy, if you feel elevated, then it shows on your face. And by the grace of God has been kind. I'm very happy, I'm at peace. I love what I do, my work, I love it, I love my family, and these are the only 2 things that matter to me. So God is kind, and that is showing on my face, that's all. But thank you, man, thank you so much. God bless you.
Aftab, Aftab, good evening. I am Colonel Shekhar. I am an army man
Good evening, Karan.
and your neighbor around here. So we all wanted you to be here amongst us, and I suggested that this sort of a gathering is there. And today you floored us by saying that men also have an important role to play, and you really proved it by saying those so many words.
Yes.
And ma'am, thank you very much for bringing us such a beautiful salon, that too a unisex salon, and in Cuttack. It's really a great thing. And thank you very much for being here with us.
I'd like to say, Colonel, one more thing. I didn't get a chance to express myself on that point too much. I wanted to keep it brief. But I do believe that, you see, a man cannot do without a woman, and a woman cannot do without a man. Every relationship, it's a taaliya do haath se bajti hai. We say independence, and we are all for promoting women and empowering them and giving them, the platform that they need. But one should also not fail to recognize the contribution of both partners in a relationship. And even for that, even where a business is concerned, I believe, because that's the way my parents have brought me up, that's the way I live my life, and that's the way I would carry on inculcating even to the future generations, that one should respect both genders, be it a man or a woman, and one should not differentiate. If a woman is in command, then you don't respect. This should not be the case. You should respect whoever. It doesn't matter the gender. So I'm all for promoting, equality. I'm all for promoting empowering people. That's what's more important. Thank you, sir.
किया गया है सभी मेहमानों के लिए। और जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, कुछ एक आध एक्टिविटीज और गेम्स है, तो कोई भी कहीं भी प्लीज मत जाइएगा। और फिलहाल आप हाई टी के लिए बढ़ सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन सोफिया मैम, अफ्ताब सर, सुकृति मैम फॉर कमिंग।